Just 1 second.
Yes, yes.
Okay, next step, please.
Yeah, so this is our fifth video. What we are going to here is we need to create a service connection after installed the Power Platform build tools from the marketplace, right? After that, we would need to create a service connection. To create a service connection, you remember in the second video we already stored everything in our notepad. Okay, secret value, secret ID, client ID, object ID, director ID. Okay, so on top of this, we would need few data like environment ID for the dev and URL, and test also environment ID and URL. Okay, so we need to get this data. So for this, we can go with the admin center, admin.power platform. So select your environment, and if you see, this is our URL of the ID. Okay, so ID, let's copy this ID now and let's paste it here. Okay, you can see here also we have a URL. If you're not able to do anything, like see all, and if you see details, under details, you can see, you can able to copy here. Okay, if you face something while copying, so paste it here, and similarly switch the environment to the test and do the same, and copy the ID of the environment on the environment URL. Environment URL. Okay, so that's it. We are good with now. And what we can do, if you see, we have all the data here. If you see, if I expand everything, we have environment ID, environment URL. Now we'll switch to our Azure DevOps. Okay, so this is our application and everything, we got it. Let's go to our project. Under project,
Pipelines environments.
yeah, correct. So here, this is our Innovate CICD pipeline project. Under this, if you see project setting, click on this project setting, and under pipelines, if you see here service connection. Okay, so we need to create this service connection for each one of the environment. Okay, so now if you see create service connection, click on this and then search Power Platform and click next and keep as it is, and copy everything from our notepad and paste it over here. Okay, so this is the task which we are going to do. And server URL. Okay, so server URL, what we have, URL, so this is the URL. Okay, so basically what we are going to do here is, as you see, this is the URL. URL stands with HTTPS colon, right? So what we can do in the prefix, we can add this one, HTTPS colon /. Okay, so which means it kind of URL. Okay, we have to add that step and copy this and go to our URL and paste this over here. Okay, and then tenant ID, we'll copy tenant ID. Tenant ID is this is the tenant ID, directory tenant ID, and tenant ID is also fine, and application ID and secret ID. Application ID is this, and then client secret ID. Okay, so basically client secret ID is our where we have stored everything here. This one, and paste it here, and service connection name. Okay, give it a name called
Dev. Call it the Dev connection. Innovex Dev.
yeah, let's dev service because we are creating service here.
Yeah.
So we can say Innovex or just dev service.
Yeah.
Service. Okay, so later when we create a test service, then we can make it as a test service. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's fine, and we can keep it as a reference, and that's it. We can create it. Okay, so click on save. Save this. Okay, leave it. Going somewhere. Okay, yeah, if you see here we have created already one services which is dev services. Okay, so same step we have to follow for test also. So what we can do, create new service and go to the Power Platform, and then give it a server URL, tenant ID and application ID, everything is same. Let's copy from our notepad, and here if you see, just copy this part and paste it over here in the test environment ID and give that server URL with this. Okay, and then tenant ID is the common, I think this is the one, directory tenant ID. Okay, so application ID is remain same, and application ID is same. Okay, and client secret is also same. Just give it a name called test
Service.
services. So that's it, and keep it and save it. That's it. We have now two services to call the agent. Okay, so after installing agent to interact with the pipelines and release.
Yeah.
So at the time we would need these two services for the test and dev. Okay,
So
so that's it. We are good with the creation of a service connection, and let's see in the next video how to install agent in our local machine. Okay,
yeah.
so yeah.